As the steam approaches from the actual cold mist from the sun, beamed forth to meet the safari waterfalls, the rocks of filled water, rock wall on all the sides of the safari. At the willows peak the eye see clarity. Wit is there clarity. Wit when there is clarity around in the mystery mist, in the mist of the magic vocals of the visual, strong vocals, strong vocal points in the visual, strong five vocals of the visual, of the strong focus of the capture of the visual and the audio of the feelization of the rhythm, the ears out here, in the air with the water of the water falling into the waterfalls, water streams, water with the beat, with the magic happening. Is Ray talk about how it is to do the music, Ray lyrics, mysterious mysteries, the mist is the shadows of the throne of everyone is sitting and standing on with the very nice talented, I'm staying with the gifted, thou shall approach with a smile, Tadao, thumpings up the very nice droppings of the water, droppings of the rain dropping, even though the water is dropping, it may be the sprinkler sprinkling of the water drops, flows. I said the flows strike the strict, stunning into the thumperings of the pouring into the very nice motion in motion of the water, the liquid, it is us with the field of the lids that is smart, scat capability of the very nice Roman. I said I'll be talking about the very nice Roman of the eyes, as the eyes be roaming as the eyes be motioning, monitoring the towards of the motion moved with the rhythm. I heard, you heard. I did hear, I heard everything of the memories out here in the stories that reside, the stories that was told, and the stories that get to the mesmerizing with the memories that I already had seen with the past and things, but now we passing the past into the future, even though it's in the now. We be talking about past tense in the future tense, and I talk about, whatever it is, that's the peaking of the moment, gets there, stored there, like the very nice books of the words, all the wording, the mind of the capitalizations with the motionings. I said the motion picturings, that motion picture be going, that would be explainable, explained as smooth as the waterfalls. This song right here is for the safari of the waterfall, building of the wording, explaining the story from one step to another step of us is the us lands, is lands, the islands is do be out here with the very nice explorings. That's what it do to explore the exploring, the explorers, expanding of the outings of the indoors and outdoors, as well as we do all the things that we do, the activity, the action, actual activated though, as we do this, that in the dirt, and this, that, so clean out here too. So everything that we do, always talk about the journalism with the journeys that be having so much ism within the intelligence, intent to be intelligent. I said the brilliant it is, happenings of the happy. I said every moment's dancing, collectivity, collecting. You know what I mean? So this Ray, when I rap, I sing, I collect the database, and I talk about the singing high, low, up in the very range of the very tones of the way that I like to be accurate with the same song. Accurate. I said, so far so clear with the Ferraris out here. I said the philosopher's philosophy. I said the Rolls Royce rolling with the voice. I said, it is the forge forwarding. I said, fascinating. I said, tinging with the planning, with the planets. I said, all the planets be out here, planning things is what we do out here. Then again, so random mixing. I said, I talk about what it be with the headquarters. I said, the gatherings. I said, the annual singing and rapping, doing what it is that we be doing, pointing, standing at this point, at that point, at every point, point to stance, point A to point B. I said, Everything is what it be, magically, magical mystery, water falling into the waterfall, water strange. I is Ray with the sing songs. I is Ray with the lyrics of all of each and every orbit. I said the orbiting, I said the biting on the alphabets that I do put annually, nationally, nationally. Yeah, the nation wise, you know, it is the excellence that reside. I is Ray, RAY.